The surge in e-commerce orders is leading to an increase in the demand for warehouse workers. Labor productivity is critical to DCs that are struggling to hire and retain workers. Therefore, companies are turning to autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs. AMRs are the leading trend in warehouse automation and technology. Despite some key AMR advantages, many distribution executives are uncertain about the ROI of autonomous mobile robots. AMRs offer a number of advantages over traditional fixed automation systems. 1. Flexibility. AMRs have free rein to travel throughout a facility, so they can be often deployed in existing facilities without changing racking or the DC layout. Secondly, scalability. Robotic solutions can be scaled up or down by adding or subtracting robots and/or pick and pack stations. And lastly, cost. AMRs cost significantly less than conventional automation systems, but they are by no means a low-cost solution. So how much does an AMR solution actually cost? An AMR pricing structure includes both the upfront capital cost along with an annual maintenance. Based on published reports, the cost per AMR is approximately $30,000 plus 20% annual maintenance, giving us an annual fee of $6,000 per bot. For purposes of our ROI calculations, we will compare the cost for installing AMRs to the labor cost saved by using robots. We estimated the average annual labor cost per worker of $35,000, roughly $17.50 an hour, including benefits. So, how long will it take you to achieve 100% ROI on your AMR solution? As suggested by robotics companies, we will use a ratio of 3-to-1 robots per pickers to achieve a maximum productivity and throughput. In our operation, we will assume we have 10 pickers are deploying 30 robots. With an initial investment of $30,000 per bot and a deployment of 30 bots, we would assume an upfront cost of around $900,000. In addition, our 20% annual maintenance would add $180,000 of cost to the solution per year. In order to perform an accurate ROI calculation, we will determine both the 2-year and 5-year cost. Our 2-year would be roughly $1,260,000. Our 5-year, with the additional 3 years of maintenance, would put us at $1,800,000. So, what's the ROI? Our ROI calculations for doubling productivity assumes the same level of production with 20 full-time pickers and no robots, compared to 10 workers with robots. In that scenario, it would take more than 5 years for a DC to earn a 100% ROI. Our tripling productivity figures are based on 30 full-time pickers with no robots compared to 10 workers with robots. In this case, a DC that triples productivity would see a total return on its investment in 1.5 to 3 years, depending on the number of robots per picker. In summation, AMRs for picking are by no means a low-cost solution, with an initial investment cost of greater than $1 million. Current AMR solutions are also not a fit for all product types and operations. Furthermore, while robotic picking solutions reduce the need for scarce hourly workers, they increase demand for even more scarce and more expensive technical staff to maintain the robots. In our chart summary, we've included an additional column to show the ROI of robots when the ratio is even more uneven. An increase in the number of robots may prolong the ROI horizon to beyond the 5 years. However, a recent research report performed by ABI Research concluded there will be more than 4 million commercial robots installed in 50,000 warehouses by 2025. For those who are planning to implement AMRs in their warehouse to keep up with the increased demand, Lucas DWO helps increase the ROI horizon for AMR deployments. Lucas Dynamic Work Optimization uses AI-based algorithms to slash DC travel for the pickers and harmonizes the simultaneous work execution amongst your robots and warehouse workers. If you'd like to learn more about Lucas Work Execution software solutions, visit www.lucasware.com or email us at jennifer@lucasware.com. Thank you.